Heatwave Cocktail, take 4. Because of you. Because of you. Greetings and salutations, you the lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks and other late niceties. I'm your host, Corey. Today we're going to go into something a little more modern. I got a hold of the Ultimate Bar book. It is just filled with all kinds of goodies and with a lot of newer liqueurs that my vintage cocktail books don't have, so I can explore those a little bit. With that being said, we're going to try one called the Heatwave, and it's just in time for summer. And as always, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. All right, we're gonna make this one in the glass. There we go. It's a tall boy. And I get to use my new Lucite acrylic vintage ice bucket, whatever you want to call it. I decided need to pull it on the camera for once. It does come with its own little pinchers, but their little pinchers barely hold on to the ice. So we'll just make do. Let me fill this bad boy up. Plus it gives me a reason to use the pretty ice too. All right. So this is really simple. We'll use 1 ounce of Dark Rum. Gotta love that sound. Let's try it one more time. That cork. So it says 1/2 ounce of peach schnapps. I have peach liqueur, and I'm trying to find out if there's actually a difference between schnapps and liqueur. The best guess I can get is liqueur is a little sweeter, but most of the schnapps look like they're just cheap liqueur, so we're going to go with this because I'm not buying a whole other bottle. I don't think it's going to make that drastic of a difference. I could be wrong. I'm sure somebody will let me know. So 1/2 ounce of peach liqueur. Now it's like 4 to 5 ounces of pineapple. You just basically fill this bad boy up. And it's 1/4 ounce of Grenedine, which probably a good bar spoonful. And give it a stir. And we'll give this a scrawl, as we say in the South. Like strawberries. No, y'all get it. All right, let's give this one a shot. Oh yeah, that's all right. I mean, it's very pineapple juice sweet. You don't taste a lot of the liquor. You probably could bump up the liquor a little bit. And probably nobody would complain. You know, I guess 1/2 ounce of peach is not strong, but it's in there a little bit. But yeah, I like this one. I definitely could drink many of these and get hungover really quickly. In the meantime, you guys know what to do. Cheers.